In this video, I'm going to show you how to add a logo in Framer. So first, make sure you already log into Framer and already selected a project you want to add a logo with. So in this case, if you want to add a logo like an image in here, you'll need to firstly make a PNG. You can use like Adobe Illustrator or Photoshop or any platform that you can edit a logo, but in this case I'm just going to use the available resources that I can use in creating a logo here in Framer. So now, in order to add a logo in here, you'll need to first identify where you want to add that logo. It could be on the upper right corner or in the upper left corner or on the main interface of your website. So in this case, I'm just going to make this text as my logo. So I'm editing its fonts on the right side. And as you can see in here on the font, I will change its default font to different fonts in here. So I want something like elegant look. So yeah. Now once it's done, I'm going to change its colors. So I want these colors to be black as the background is kind of a bit dark, so I want to adapt its color. So now I'm just centering it up from the center. Now make it black, and that's it. So you can also make it like reduce the capacity of the text, so it would look like a blurry something like that. And that's it. That's how to add a logo here in Framer. You can apply it to images, text, or whatsoever that you want to be your logo here in your website. And that's it. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the YouTube channel.